Hi, I'm Carrie Bishop, the Distance Learning Librarian at IUP. This video will show you how to search for and find streaming video content and then how to add that content into your D2L course. Okay, so we're at the IUP Library website. In the Search Our Collections box, I've typed the topic of the video I would like to see. So the topic here is gender inequality. And in the Search In drop-down menu, the default is the discovery search, but you'll want to change it to library catalog. Click search. All right, so now we're looking at a list of everything in the library's holdings that applies to gender inequality. So we can do some limiting over here on the right-hand side. The first thing you want to do is under Format, click on Audio Visual. And then the next thing you'll want to click on is Full Text Online. Okay, so now we're looking at a list of audio-visual material that is fully available online. In other words, streaming video. Okay, so if you then, you can look at this list to decide which videos you're interested in. Click on the blue title of the material to learn a little bit more. You can see a description of the video down here a little bit further in the page. When you're ready to access the video, click on the blue link here under View It. All right, so now we're leaving the library website and we're going to the provider's website. So this video is coming from a provider called Films on Demand. Our video content comes from about 10 different providers, so each website that you get to may look a little bit different. Essentially what you're looking for is something like this, a share button. Once you click that share button, the next thing you're looking for, and in some providers maybe you didn't need to click the share button, maybe it's just right there, is a link. So this is ultimately what you're looking for is a link to this video that includes our proxy. Okay, so it's important that the link that you copy include this proxy from the Keystone Library Network. That will allow IUP users to access this material for free. So you're going to copy that link. Okay, and then you can close out of all this stuff. And now we're going to go over to D2L. You have that link copied. You're going to come to your content area in D2L. You're going to use the Upload Create button to create a link. Give it a title. And paste that URL into the list here. I want to make sure it has the proxy, which it does, and then create. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that content area and click on the link to make sure that it works. Okay, and it takes me to my video. And that process works also for off-campus students. Off-campus students, because they're already signed into D2L, will be directed to this material automatically but once they click on that link. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to email me, and I'd be happy to help. Take care.